Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating common culprits. Close overlays and background capture apps because they lock GPU resources. Once done, run Ubisoft Connect as administrator to avoid permission stalls. Verify game files to replace corrupt assets, and update your GPU drivers to the latest WHQL release so compatibility issues vanish. Make sure Windows updates are applied. Outdated OS files can cause lockups. These are immediate, actionable steps that prepare the system so the deeper fixes in the next slide can actually take effect. Next, focus on runtime stability. Lower or use stable graphics presets and cap FPS to your monitor refresh to reduce GPU spikes. Disable full-screen optimizations on the R6 executable and bind the game to your high-performance GPU to avoid integrated GPU handoffs. Stop background recording, game DVR, and unneeded startup services that steal CPU time. This frees threads and prevents pauses. If you use an SSD, ensure the game is installed there to reduce stutter from streaming textures. Finally, perform a clean boot to isolate third-party conflicts by disabling non-Microsoft startup items. Once confirmed, reset in-game settings and delete the shader cache so the game rebuilds stable assets. If you still experience freezing, capture a crash log and use the to uninstall GPU drivers, then install the recommended driver cleanly. One key troubleshooting tip: if freezes occur only after an update, roll back the driver or Windows update. This often restores stability quickly without more invasive changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.